Today, I'm diving into the world of stocks to see if TSM is a good buy right now. Can I make a smart investment decision? TSM, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, is a giant in the semiconductor industry. They produce chips for many tech companies, essentially making them a backbone of modern technology. If you're into tech or planning to invest in the stock market, TSM is definitely a company worth knowing about. TSM is facing quite a few challenges in the current market. One major issue is the intense competition from companies like Samsung and Intel, which are also making huge strides in semiconductor technology. Another problem is the ongoing supply chain issues that have been affecting the entire tech industry. With the global economy still recovering from the pandemic, these factors can significantly impact TSM stock performance. The economic factors at play are also worth considering. With rising interest rates and inflation concerns, many investors are getting cautious. The semiconductor industry is highly cyclical, and TSM stock can be sensitive to these economic shifts. Moreover, there's the issue of trade tensions, particularly between the US and China, which can affect TSM's business given its strategic location in Taiwan. Despite these challenges, TSM has shown resilience. They've been investing heavily in research and development, which could help them stay ahead of the competition. Their ability to adapt and innovate will be crucial in determining their stock's future performance. Let's take a look at TSM's financial health. Their recent earnings reports have shown a mixed bag, with some areas of growth but also some misses. The projections for growth are there, but they seem cautious, reflecting the uncertainties in the market. Industry trends, like the increasing demand for chips in electric vehicles and 5G technology, could play in TSM's favor. Analyzing TSM's financials, their revenue has been steadily increasing, which is a good sign. However, their profit margins have been under a bit of pressure due to the rising costs of manufacturing and materials. This could be a point of concern for potential investors. A significant insight into TSM's future prospects comes from their planned expansion and technology upgrades. They're investing in new manufacturing facilities and cutting-edge technology, which could give them a competitive edge. There have also been talks of potential partnerships with major tech companies, which could further boost their stock value. These investments and potential partnerships signal a positive outlook for TSM. If they manage to execute their plans successfully, it could mean a significant upside for their stock. However, as with any investment, there are risks involved, and it's crucial to keep an eye on how things unfold. In recap, TSM is a major player in the semiconductor industry with a lot of potentials but also facing significant challenges. Their financial health looks stable, but like any stock, it's not without risks. The future developments and partnerships could drive their stock value up. If you've made it this far, I want to hear from you. Do you think TSM is a good buy right now? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more investment insights and analysis.